Hello everyone. We are going to discuss about the vehicle named Tata Harrier. Now these are some of the contents we are going to discuss briefly further. First I'll tell you the brief history about the company. This mid-size SUV was previewed as the Tata H5X concept car. The reduction name Harrier was announced by the parent company in summer 2018. The car is a C-segment SUV based on the Omega Arc platform, an essentially re-engineered version of Jaguar Land Rover D8 platform adopted by the models such as Range Rover, Discovery and Jaguar. Now, how did Tata Harrier came into existence? The Tata Harrier SUV that comes based on Land Rover platform missed out on some popular features like sunroof, an automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive at the time of launch, and out of these, the big two were something the most Indian consumers wanted, and that's how this model came into existence. The model number we are going to discuss is XE. The launch of year was January 2019. The cost was 14 lakhs approximately. These are some key features of the model, which includes Cryotech 2L turbocharged 170 PS BS6 diesel engine, 6-speed manual transmission, power steering, hill hold control, traction control, rollover mitigation, brake disc wiping, rear parking sensors, dual airbags for driver and co-worker, and much more. Now we are going to discuss some technical specifications. The first one is the engine. The engine capacity is 2 liter and it is 4-cylinder engine, and the capacity of the cylinder is 1956 cc. The transmission system is 6-speed automatic and manual both. The maximum power and torque is 125 kW and 350 Nm respectively, which lets you steer through all terrain confidently. It has got all terrain mode, lots of space and good highway fuel average. Cabin is so quiet, even up to 3000 rpm. The compression ratio is 16:5:1. It has 4-wheel drive.
Now, in dimensions, the body type of Tata Harrier is SUV. The clearance from ground is 205 mm. The wheelbase is 2741 mm, and the length into width into height ratio is 4598 into 1894 into 1706 mm cube. Now we will discuss about the brakes. At front side, the disc brake is used, and the rear side, the drum brake is used. The disc brake are more efficient, provide better spring stopping power, dissipate heat, and easier to work better in wet condition also. And disc brake is less complex in their shapes. The at front side, it is more effective in stopping a car than rear brake. As on rear side, less efficient brake also work. So to reduce cost at rear side, drum brake is used. Now in suspension, at front side, independent lower wishbone MacPherson stud with coil spring and anti-roll bar is used. At rear side, semi-independent twist blade with panhard rod and coil spring is used. Uh, in suspension, the shock absorber is most important for comfort. In Tata Harrier, the coil spring type shock absorber is used. The power steering is used to reduce the fatigue. In steering gear, the rack and pinion type gear is used. Now we will discuss about the tires. In tires, XE model 235 by 70 steel alloy tires are used. It has alloy wheels. The alloy will decrease the unsprung weight and therefore transmit less inertia to the spring and therefore provide better grip. So therefore we will use alloy steel in tires. The fuel tank capacity is 50 liters. and the boot space is 425 liters. If the rear seats are folded, then the boot space is 800, 810 liters, which is quite spacious. Now the seating capacity is 5 seaters. It is available in 5 colors like Calypso Red, Camo Green, Atlas Black, Orcus White, and Tellisto Grey.
As we had discussed before about the specifications of these Tata Harrier vehicles. Now we are going to discuss about the appearance of these. There are the two types of appearance. First is the exterior appearance and second is the interior appearance. In exterior appearance, Tata has combined the best of its two brands while designing the Harrier. The looks of Harrier are strongly which is based on the concept of H5X concept showcased at the Delhi's Auto Expo. Next, in the exterior, the Project Impact Design 2.0 comes with a unified placement of the headlamps that makes the slope-through front line of the car. Moreover, at the top of the car also goes well with the overall theme, and it also comes with the 235 per 65 R17 alloy wheels that adds to its style even the further. Next, there is the Tata Harrier's interior. In the appearance of Tata Harrier, we have already established that the best thing of the Harrier are its look, but there is more. In the look of Tata Harrier, it is available in the four variants, maybe compact, but it has a more space than most of the compact SUVs in the market. It is having 425 liters of boot space, but it is with all the folded configuration, it ends with giving up the 810 liters of the boot space. Next is the this is the figure of the interior and exterior appearance of the Tata Harrier. This is the driving system of the Tata Harrier in the interior appearance. Then in the appearance, it comes with its look, and in look, the best part is colors. The Tata Harrier comes in the five colors, which is the Ariel Silver, Lesto Grey, Thermisto Gold, Orcus White, and Colisto Copper. In this slide, we can show that the five different types of the color which is available in the market now. Next is there are the advantages and disadvantages of the Tata Harrier. As every product has its own advantages and disadvantages, like that it has also there are some advantages. It is the loaded with the features specifically based in the class of entertainment system by using the speakers and 7-inch driver display. Moreover, additional safety features that include the 6 airbags for the surround protection. Good quality materials is also used and strong engine with a good performance even on the highway and on the city. Overall, plush and luxurious interiors with the oak finish is the main advantages of this Tata Harriers. There are some disadvantages also. Poor suspension compared to the other SUVs in its class, noisy engine with the poor noise isolation. There is a no automatic or petrol variant till mid 29, and its price is up to 20 lakh. With additional features and better insulation was expected by the Tata. These are the disadvantages of the Tata Harriers. There are some rivals of Tata Harriers also. It is expected to force strong competition with the Creta and Hyundai. With the launch of MG Hector around the corner, Tata Harrier might have a strong rival soon. We can see all the coming expected Tata Harriers products on the Google Chrome. The first price of the Tata Harriers was about 13 lakhs, and now it's become the around the 20 lakhs. Tata Harriers, there are so many rivals. This is the favorite car, and the car we would like to buy and have a special offer for this. In this way, we have seen overall about the Tata Harriers, which explains about the specific technical specifications, its advantages, disadvantages, some features, its appearance. We all have covered these topics in this slideshow. Thank you.